Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna showing you how to fix the Instagram music search loading problem in iPhone. So guys, if you're using iPhone or other Android phone and when you want to use any music on Instagram Reel or on Instagram Story and facing the issue that music search is stuck on loading. So guys, you can easily fix this problem, so let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you have to open your settings. From here you have to check your internet connection, make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. And now you have to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN. After doing this, you have to go back and open your app store if you're using iPhone. And if you're using Android, you have to open Play Store in that phone. And here you need to search Instagram. After searching this, you have to open your Instagram app here and you need to update your app if not updated. And after doing update, you have to go back. So guys, now you have to open your settings here, scroll it below. From here you have to click on general and scroll it down, click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset, and you need to reset your network settings. After doing this, you have to go back. From here you will see the option of iPhone storage. You have to open this and you have to find Instagram from here. After this, you have to open your Instagram and offload your app. And after doing offload, you need to reinstall again. And guys, after this you need to go back and click on software update here. And guys, you need to download and update the latest iOS version on your iPhone. And after doing all these things, all the bugs and all the problems will be fixed on your Instagram. So guys, these are the possible ways to fix this problem. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.